Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinky, your Asian food guide. Today I'm taking you to our Chinese-style barbecue skewer restaurant. The menu features a variety of Asian-style barbecue skewer. We ordered spicy lamb, beef, chicken, and if you're adventurous enough, try chicken gizzard. As growing up in China, I love chicken gizzard. This video is inspired by Chinese food. This is my first stop. I will be showing you guys 3 different locations of Asian food. If you have questions about them, please do leave me a comment down below and I will reply to you. Second location, as you see, it's a conveyor belt sushi place. When you order something, it comes out like this. Or you can grab anything down below. It's a fun way to enjoy sushi. Here's what I ordered this time. I love to introduce Asian food to my friends. If you want to know more about Asian food, make sure you subscribe my channel and click likes for me. I would much appreciate it. Third location is a Chinese rice noodle restaurant. This is a signature dish, pork broth along with rice noodles. Here's how I like to cook them. Basically, they give you some side dish as well, and you can pick and choose what to put in your soup. This soup also comes with the sliced beef. You can put them in the soup as well to cook them since the broth is really hot. Here's the appetizer and drinks I got, also crispy shrimp and popcorn chicken. They're both really good. Which location you like the most or wanting to try? Please let me know, and thanks for watching, guys!